family, come back to my channel. It's a baby getting me up here. All doing fine. Yeah, it's another day, it's another week, it's another week. Yeah. I want you guys to travel with us. Yeah, we are traveling, so I want to get to travel with us, walk with us. Yeah. Let's go. Go. Sobechuku, Jehovah, Sobechuku. Sobechuku, he has done it for me. Listen, even before I pray, Jehovah Nissi answer me. Sobechuku, I don't know the reason I love this song, like seriously. When I was working, I could not sleep. He was walking behind the screen. Oh, Sobechuku, done it for me. Bye bye.
Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face.
See my dog. Hey, there you go. Hi. Say hi. How you good? You good, man? You good? You good? Hey. Whoa, yeah, go, go, go. Go. Wow, see big brother. Oh. See big brother. Mercy. See big brother. Oh. So we went for my baby document today. Yeah. Like we've left home around 8 o'clock. So we are just going back home. Yeah. Madam Mercy. Hey. Madam Mercy, look here. Lepa. Punch and jam. This guy is playing me. What do you think? What do you think? Bros, are you there? You there? You there? You're Frenchy. He was like, Mama, I want to push the baby. I said, no, you're not pushing the baby. And he wanted to start crying. So I let him try, but he did a great job, like seriously. Yeah, that is big brother. Yeah, thank you for coming once again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue supporting the baby girl. See you on my next video. Bye.